Introducing BS Air Conditioning, your professional air conditioning partner in Moorreesburg. With years of experience, we specialize in serving all areas with top-tier air conditioning solutions. Our team is dedicated to offering professional, specialized services for all brands of air conditioners at competitive prices. Trust BS Air Conditioning for all your air conditioning needs, keeping you cool and comfortable all year round. Feel free to customize it according to your preferences and branding.